Hello student, welcome here in integral classes. Today I will explain here properties of inverse trigonometry function. First property is sin inverse x is equals to cosec inverse 1 upon x. So student, first we will let sin inverse x is equals to theta, therefore x is equals to sin theta. Now student, we know that cosec x equal to what, or cosec theta we will consider here. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? It means 1 upon x equal to this. Now it will be cosec theta. So theta equal to cosec inverse 1 upon x, and we will let here what theta is equals to sin inverse x. So sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 upon x. It is the first property. Now second property is, suppose sin inverse x equal to what in cos inverse. Now we will change here sin inverse into cos inverse. So again student, we will let here let sin inverse x equal to theta, then x is equals to sin theta. Okay, now we will find out here, use here right angle triangle. We know that it is the sin theta. If this angle is a theta, then sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? X, and hypotenuse 1. Now we will find out its base is what? 1 minus x square. So in cos inverse equal to what? We know that base upon hypotenuse. So root of 1 minus x square upon 1 equal to cos inverse root 1 minus x square. So student, for use if we will use this property, we will change any trigonometric ratio to other 5 trigonometric ratio. If you want to change sin inverse x equal to what? Tan inverse. So student, as we know that we will use here this, again we will draw a triangle and find the base. We know that tan inverse what? What is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. It is the value of. Now we will write here again sin inverse x is equals to cot inverse. Cot inverse is the inverse of tan inverse. So 1 minus x square upon x. Now if you want to find out the cos x inverse, we will find here. Cos is also find, tan, cot. Now we will find here only sin inverse x equal to what? Sec inverse. So sec inverse is inverse of cos. Cos inverse root of 1 minus x square. So sec inverse is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So student, we will use this property and we have to change a sin inverse function to another its trigonometric ratio. So student, we will use this property and we can change any inverse trigonometric function to other 5 remaining trigonometric function by use of this property. Property third, sin inverse minus x is equals to minus sin inverse x. Tan inverse minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x is equals to minus cosec inverse x. Student, I will divide it here these 6 trigonometry ratio into 2 groups. First is this and second is this. Because we will get in all 3 are similar. We will get minus sign is outside. In last third, cos inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x. Cot inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cot inverse x. Sec inverse minus x is equals to pi minus sec inverse x. Now I will explain how can we will get sin inverse minus x is equals to minus sin inverse x. So student, for this let here we will let sin inverse minus x is equals to theta. Then minus x equal to sin theta. It will be become minus x equal to sin theta. Then we will write here x is equals to minus sin theta. We know that in our previous lecture or in 11th class you have studied that sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So we should write here, we can write sin minus theta here, x equal to sin minus theta. Now x equal to what here? X equal to, we will find out the value of x equal to what? X equal to minus sin theta, and we can write out here minus theta equal to what? Sin inverse goes to other side, okay, and minus theta equal to what is the value theta we will let here? We will let, and we have to write theta equal to minus sin inverse x, and theta equal to what? We will replace here again sin inverse minus theta equal to minus sin inverse x. Sorry, not theta. It will be become x. So it is the value we will get. Now I will explain again one times more. Sin inverse minus x is equals to theta. We will let. Then minus x is equals to sin inverse goes to other side. It will be become sin theta. Now minus sin we will put here other side. Minus sin is goes to in its angle. So it will be become, we know that sin minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So we will replace here. Okay. Then minus theta equal to sin theta goes to other side. Then it will be become inverse. Now minus sin again we will put here other side. What is the value of theta? Sin inverse minus x. So students, sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin x minus sin inverse x, and we can find out other two properties also, which are tan inverse minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x, and cos x inverse minus x is equals to minus cos inverse x. We will put these three properties are similar, so we will give in the name, it is group first. Now for property 6, cos inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x. So how can we will prove? Let's see. 6, which I will explain here. Cos inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x. So we will let here, let left hand side cos inverse minus x equal to theta. Then minus x equal to cos theta. Then x equal to minus cos theta. And how can we will write down minus cos theta? Student, we know that cos minus theta equal to always positive cos theta. So we will not use this property here. So again we will use here cos pi minus theta. We should write here minus cos theta is equals to cos pi minus theta, and we have studied in our 11th class this property. Okay, so now cos inverse goes to other side, it will be become cos inverse x is equals to pi minus theta. Now put the value theta. Theta equal to what? Cos inverse minus x. So pi minus cos inverse minus x is equals to cos inverse x. Now it goes to other side. Then cos inverse, we will interchange them here like this. Cos inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x. So student, this property we have to prove, and similarly we can also prove property 7 and 8 also. Cot inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cot inverse x, and sec inverse minus x is equals to pi minus sec inverse x. These last three are given similar, so we will put here in a second group. So student, we will get and solve this property like this by easy method. Now next property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, where x is belongs to here only minus 1 to 1. Okay, we will put here value of x is -1 or 1. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. X belongs to all real number here. Sec inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, and here is belongs to minus infinite to -1 and 1 to infinite. 0 is not included here. These three properties are also similar and we will use. So student, now property 9 I will explain. Let sin inverse x is equals to y, then x is equals to sin y. Now sin y we can write down cos pi by 2 minus y, because it will be lie in first quadrant, and first quadrant all are positive. So we can write sin y equal to cos pi by 2 minus y. So x equal to what? Cos pi by 2 minus y. Now cos goes to other side, it will be become cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus y, and we will let here y equal to what? Sin inverse x. So we will replace y by sin inverse x. Cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. It goes to other side, then it will be become, suppose sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Hence proof. So similarly student, we also prove tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cos x inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now property 12, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where we will here check multiple of xy are always less than to 1. If here replace the sign plus to minus, then here is also change, here is minus, so that here is also minus, and it will be become plus, and we will check here multiple of xy is always greater to -1. So student, let's see how can we will prove property 12. Now property 12, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So student, first we will take here left hand side. Let tan inverse x is equals to theta and tan inverse y is equals to phi. Now so we will put here theta plus phi. Now student, we will take here tan. Let here take here tan. So we will take here tan and we will apply here tan a plus b equal to tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta tan phi. We will apply here the formula tan a plus b, which we have learned in our 11th class. So this formula is very important and it is mostly used for in this exercise. Now student, we will again replace here by, first of all we will take tan to other side, then it will be become theta plus phi equal to tan inverse tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta tan phi. Now student, again we will replace here theta equal to what? Tan inverse x, and phi equal to tan inverse y, and tan theta equal to what here? Here tan theta. If we will write here goes to tan other side, then x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. So we will replace both sides. Theta equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse tan theta equal to what here? X, and tan phi y upon 1 minus xy. It is a hence proof. Similarly student, we can also prove tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y. Now last three properties of inverse trigonometry. 2 tan inverse equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Student, as we observe, we know that this 3 property belongs to tan 2 theta equal to in the form of sin x, in the form of cos x, and in the form of tan x. So these are, if you will put here x is equals to tan theta, so it will become 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta, 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. So student, this property also we have learned in our 11th class. So that property we have to use and prove that this equal to this. So first I will explain property 14, which is 2 and tan inverse x is equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So student, for this property we have laid here tan inverse x equal to y. Tan inverse x equal to y, so it will become x equal to tan y. So in left hand side we will put right hand side we will consider here. Right hand side is what? Sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now we will replace here x by tan y. So sin inverse 2 tan y upon 1 plus tan square y. So student, we know that which formula here we will apply? Sin inverse and sin 2y. Yes student, it is equal to sin 2y. Sin 2y equal to 2 tan y upon 1 plus tan square y. Now sin is cancelled to each other, then 2y, and y is replaced is here what? Y equal to tan inverse x. So we will get left hand side. Similarly student, you can also find this 2 property remaining. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse x upon 1 minus x square x, and 2 tan inverse x is equals to cos inverse x 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. It's very easy chapter and scoring chapter also. First of all, you have to learn this property and try to do yourself, and we will do in next video exercise 2.2. and if you have any queries, any problem, then you can ask me in my comments box. Thank you.